How to add payment method in Steam Wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can add payment method. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser, search for Steam account. Make sure that you are logged into your Steam account, then click onto your profile. As you do so, you will see account details on the second option. Click open that. And once you're under account details, on your right hand side, you will see add a payment method to this account. Click onto that option, and likewise so, you have to choose your card, enter your card number, your CVV, your expiration date, and all your billing information. As you do so, scroll below and you will see continue at the bottom of the page. And just like so, this is how you add payment method to your Steam account. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload. Till then, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the notification bell to never miss an update from us.